And this is the cash for today's take. And there's the money at the bottom. Good morning, YouTube. Luke and I have a big day today. He's nervous. Why are you so nervous? We're going to the vet right now, and then we're gonna go collect some money from some vending machines. Check you later. And we are at the vet right now. Come on, Luke. Where are we going? Going in? Hi. This is the waiting room. Some other four-legged friends on the wall. We're in the waiting room. The doc is preparing the medicine, some antibiotics for his bacterial infection he has on his skin. Poor Luke. So we have 3 medications. Ketoconazole, which is taken twice daily, half tablet. Apoquel, which is given half tablet twice daily for 5 days, then a half tablet once daily for 10 days, then as needed for itches. And then Simplicef, 1 tablet once daily. All of these medications have to be taken with food. Right now, we're about to go get some candy out of storage and then go do all the vending machines that are left. You're finally gonna see what candy machines look like today. All for today, for the 1 machine that's left. Just a little bit. And we are out here in front of Target on this sunny August afternoon. Luke is guarding the soda. Some more soda in the front. And we are on our way to the sole surviving soda machine with a few candy machines sprinkled in.
Tell me who I mean, rubber band man, wild as the Taliban, 9 in my right, 45 in my other hand. I'm in trouble, man, I always in trouble, man. Worth a couple $100 grand, shit is all colors, man. A rubber band man.
We are at storage right now. This is what we got. Some Mike and Ike's, some Skittles. If you see this box, it's a double bubble box. But I know I have double bubbles, but who knows where they are in storage. I thought I put everything in front. This box was in front. I think they might have been in a different box. I'm not just sure which. It's not worth it to tear apart storage right now. So I'm just gonna go buy some new gumballs just to fill up these machines and get out of there. So Mr. Luke should be feeling better with his antibiotics soon. If you could see on his chest, it's red. He has a bacterial infection in his skin. At least that's what the vet thinks. So if it's not better in 2 weeks, we have to do some more tests, but he said this should clear everything up. On our way to storage, get some candy, and then off to the machines. Check this out. Here, filling up the last machine. Let's see what's in it. Pretty empty. It's the change reserves. $47.50 in there. Change bucket. Here's the cash box, which we'll get into later. Here we go for the money. This be a good amount. And this is the cash for today's take. And here is the double bubble gum we need for the machine. We need some Skittles too. Should be down here. Where are you, Skittles? Where did you go? This has to be the emptiest Sam's Club I've ever seen in my life. Just look at these lines. There's no one in them. No one. It has been a long day, to say the least. We are in the Sam's Club parking lot right now, taking a walk. Luke needed some leg stretching. He's been in the truck for a lot longer than I have today because I've been in and out of stores and businesses and things like that. So we just picked up some gumballs. They did not have any Skittles left. They had packets, but like that would have been way too expensive and way too time consuming to open little packets. I do, however, have enough Skittles to fill the machines a pretty good amount. And there still should be Skittles left in the machines, so that should be all good. So I'm not too worried about it. Other than that, we're just rolling along. Luke loves working. Like, he loves vending days because he's out with me all day. I mean, I kind of wish I just did this for a living because he would always be with me. But I don't know. I want to do more than just have a vending business. Hopefully one day I will have just like I don't know, an office that I run all my businesses from, and Luke and maybe one of the kids that I have will be there during the day, during the summer, and they can learn too. But that's what's going on right now. We're gonna head to New Paltz, New York. Right now we're in Middletown, New York. So we're gonna hit New Paltz and then Beacon. And those are two of my vending machines. My candy machines are there. And you'll see how those work, and you'll see the money, and you'll see the candy go in, and it should be fun. So I'll see you there. And this is one of my machines. You see the Skittles and the gumballs. So I just took off the first lock. That's what it looks like on the inside. And there's the money at the bottom. See the pile of change? And here's the gumball head. And all the change inside. There she blows. All filled up and ready to go. I just got back from filling the candy machine in the Chinese restaurant, and look who decided he's driving. Oh, come here, Luke. Come on. Come here. You gotta come around. And I'm not sure why he's out of the truck right now. He's acting rashy. We have been at it all day long now. Come on, get in. Go ahead. Get in the truck. Get in there. Water time, then home. I'll see you soon.